The BARWALT Ultra Grouting System is a must when it comes to the final grout cleaning step. Rather than refilling a bucket with clean water every 10 minutes, this system allows you to work more efficiently, saving you time. After a couple passes with the sponge, press the sponge down on the grate to sift out the grout materials. All the grout residue will fall to the bottom of the bucket, keeping the top of your water clean. The heavy-duty rollers remove excess water. The floor and wall floats have a large surface area to clean tile quickly. The sponge pads have slits in them to pick up more material than an average grouting sponge. The system includes a large bucket with wheels, a wall and floor float, each with their own sponge, and a non-abrasive and abrasive scrub pad. Our thin hook and loop attachment makes changing pads quick and keeps water out. This minimizes drippage to keep your work area clean. When switching between sponge pad and either of the scrub pads, simply peel the pad off. You can use the non-abrasive or abrasive scrub pads to clean up the tough grout residue. The Ultra Grouting System from BARWALT has everything you need to quickly and cleanly grout your tiles in less time than ever. For more information, check online at Marshalltown.com.